What's up, guys? I'm Chase.
And I'm Landon, and today we're unboxing the newly released Nike Dunk High Up in this iron purple colorway. Let's go.
All right, so looking at these in hand, these things are pretty clean to look at. Personally, I do like the upper. I think that it's cool that Nike is adding a little variation to the Dunk High. And overall, I think it's a clean colorway. So that's my first impressions. What about you? What do you think?
Yeah, I definitely do love the color scheme for this shoe. You kind of got those like gray overlays and those kind of like lavender purple overlays as well. I think that's a really nice color combo. And then I do like how they add that like baby swoosh on top of this Nike swoosh on the outside. Gives these a clean look on that upper. So overall, rating these 1 to 5, what are you going to give it?
I'm actually going to give it a 3 out of 5 for me. Personally, I don't know why they did this, but Nike kind of doubled up the midsole here on this Dunk. And it is really thick. And I honestly think it draws a little bit of attention away from the beautiful upper to the midsole. And it's kind of throwing me off. So that's why I'm going to lock it in at a 3 out of 5 for me. But what do you think? What's your rating?
Yeah, I'm sitting over here ready to give this a 4 out of 5. And I am going to stick with that. Although I did actually just notice how they bulked up that midsole. Just because they did so much. I guess not so much, but they did switch up that upper. It kind of had all my attention. And that is somewhat of a blocky midsole, but it's still not too bad. I really do like the color scheme. They even outline the outsole with that like kind of gray looking exterior. But yeah, all together, super clean colorway. And I did end up liking these a lot more in hand than I expected. So I'm going to give these a 4 out of 5 for me. That actually wraps up our unboxing for the Nike Dunk High Up in this iron purple colorway. Thank you guys for taking some time to watch.
And if you guys like this shoe, definitely give this video a like. And if you don't, let us know why in the comments below. And feel free to rate them yourself 1 to 5. But until next episode, peace.